What are we doing?
Here, Jake, you want to feed her first time?
Tell everybody what it is.
Banana.
Yeah. Sophia, you excited?
Here we go.
What do you think?
A little bit more. Okay. Yeah, she's holding me. There.
Oh, what do you think?
There.
Now it's Daddy's turn.
There. No, there's another spoon.
Okay, I'll have the orange one.
I have the green one. But you want your drink? You want your water?
Jake, does she like it?
Yeah. Hey, put it in your eye.
No.
That's not where you put it.
And we also used the new baby food maker.
She just put her tongue out.
You like that?
She went all the way out of it.
I think she likes it.
What is that?
What do you think, Jake?
My turn.
That's your first food, Sophia, besides rice cereal and milk.
You're helping me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
She's licking it. She's holding on to it.
Hold it.
She likes that.
Yeah.
Is it my turn?
Yeah. You don't get to feed her.
That's okay.
Mommy's taking a video.
Here, Jake, what do you think about this?
I don't
She's
know.
lapping it up like a little cat.
No, she can hold it. She can hold it, Daddy. She can hold it.
Oh, okay.
But she wants to hold it. She wants to hold it.
I want my towel.
Wait, she's got everything in her mouth. Come on, you can't have it all. Not everything is banana there.
Whoa.
You don't get to feed her, though. Is it my turn?
I'm sure I'll get lots of
Yeah.
other turns to feed her.
Hey.
She likes that.
Hold it. Hold it. Here. Not everything. Not everything is so there. Not everything. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, get that one back to the room. Get that hand out of there.
What are you doing, Mama? I'm feeling good. I don't know. I'm tired.
Look at her.
Is it my turn?
She really likes that.
Why?
She likes that much better than rice cereal.
Yeah, your turn.
She's trying to eat more.
Hey, here. Hold it. Hold it.
No. We're going to just let you give it to her. She keeps eating her bib.
Hey. Here. Sophia, hold
Is this
it.
all of it? No, we don't want her to because
No,
she's
there's
eating her
more
bib.
over there.
You like it? I have a little bit more.
Okay, hold on.
Careful, Jake.
You want to get the regular camera?